Hello everybody, Asang Filipina, and I'm just back from picking up my parcel from Shein. So this is some flats, and this also for my daughter and my outfit. So before we start unboxing these items, this shopping, we're gonna take off my new ankle boots. Ankle boots. So since you love watching my wait, so take two. Since you love watching me taking off my shoes, so I'm here now taking off and trying to spoil you with my feet. So this is the boots that I unboxed yesterday. So now I'm gonna show you how I take off my boots. This is brown, and next time I'm going to buy Hello everybody, it's me, Asong Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we're going to take off my boots. So I pick up my parcel today outside. So I'm driving, it's just a short distance drive. And I have this one, some shoes and outfit. And also for my daughter. And now, before we start unboxing, I'm gonna take off my new boots that I unboxed yesterday. So here it is, guys. So I'm gonna show you first my outfit. So this is my outfit. It's also from Shein. So it's a short. I don't really wear all-time shorts, only if I go out to the beach. So now I'm driving with this because it's just not far from here. And okay, let's get started. So this is the new ankle boots, brown. And next time I'm gonna, so it's already with scratch here. That's quick. I scratch it. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, then here it is. So now I'm gonna take off this for you. So it's brown, and next time you can comment down below what color of boots that we're going to wear next time. I'm going to shop more of this, but maybe different styles, so you can just comment down below, or you can send also super things so I can buy more. Like if you want stockings, socks like that, so I can buy that, and any amount would help me for that. So now this one, so I have still my red nails. They cut my nails, so now it's a little bit short. So now I'm going to take off my other boots. There it is. It's quite sweaty a little bit. And then yeah, so now since we're here I'm gonna show you putting on my anklet. So this is my favorite anklet, so I really love this one. And also my 2 rings. So I have a lot of 2 ring. Only I lost some of it. I lost it. So I put it in the car, so I make sure I will not forget this one. So you put this on. So 1, 2. It's really I have complete for this, and I also have silver. So this is 5, and other 2s I lost some of it, so I'm gonna put it also. So yeah, that's it for now. So I also have this one. My daughter made it for me. Made it. So now we're gonna unbox. We'll see. While we unbox, I just have to chill and relax, hanging my feet here in my dashboard. And first is we're going to unbox this one. So we'll see what's inside. Oh, this is for my daughter. And this is outfit, clothing. So yeah, because it's warm here in the Philippines, and then with my nails is breaking. My God. So this one is just very simple outfit, and this is rubber for the hair. And for my workout, I also buy some outfit, so I can also vlog for that. Oh my God, it's beautiful, it's thick, good one. And we're gonna try on that with that letter. And then here is the, wow, it's beautiful, the skirt with short. So done. Next is we're going to open the shoes. It's my favorite one, so we'll see. I'm gonna just show you my feet because okay. This is my flat or flip-flops, and then of course we're going to try this on. It's beautiful. And another one, so I'm gonna try this one. I'll make pictures of the details. So this is how it looks like. My size is 35 or 36, but mostly when I buy, I always go for 36, size 36. And this one. That's all for now. So first I'm gonna show you next is we try this other flats. Try this on. I'm gonna make pictures with this in the pedals of the car, so you can see how it looks like, how it fits in my feet. So this is it, guys. So yes, so that's all for now, and I hope you enjoy our unboxing video, and see you again next vlog. Bye everyone.